Wednesday's PowerPoint is about recognising and describing 3D shapes. When we're describing 3D shapes, we talk about them having faces, edges, and vertices. Every 3D shape has 3 measurements. These are length, height, and width. The faces are the flat sides on a shape. This cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. The edges are the lines where 2 faces meet. A triangular prism has 9 edges. Vertices are the corners of a 3D shape where 2 or more edges meet. Count the vertices on this pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 vertices, 4 at the base and 1 at the top. Remember that some shapes, like these, have curved surfaces. Which of these statements are true? A cuboid never has a square face, only rectangular. A pyramid always has at least 1 triangular face. A cube and a cuboid have the same number of edges, faces, and vertices. And a cylinder has no flat faces. Cuboids can have some square faces, but some will always be rectangular. A pyramid must have at least 1 triangular face. Cubes and cuboids have the same number of edges, faces, and vertices. And a cylinder would have 2 flat faces, 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So if a 3D shape has a square face, what shape could it be? It could be a cuboid. It has 2 square faces, but the rest of them are rectangular. It could be a cube, where all the faces are square. It could be a square-based pyramid, which has a base, which is a square, but then the other faces are all triangular. Which shape could be the odd one out? It could be any of them. They could all be the odd one out. It could be that the square is the odd one out because it's the only one that doesn't have any triangular faces. It could be that the triangular-based pyramid, the tetrahedron, is the odd one out because that's the only one that has no square faces. And it could be that the square-based pyramid is the odd one out because that's got faces that have got 2 different shapes. Here's a Venn diagram to sort 3D shapes. In this area, we need shapes that have got 6 or more vertices. In this area, we need shapes with a square face. In the middle, it's shapes that have got 6 or more vertices and a square face. And if any shape doesn't have 6 or more vertices or doesn't have a square face, then that would go around the outside, but still on the Venn diagram. The square-based pyramid has got a square face, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. So that goes there. The pentagonal prism has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices at this end. So 5 at this end. So it's got 10 vertices, but it's got no square faces. So that will go over there. The cube has got square faces, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices at this side, another 4 over there, so it's got 8 vertices. So it goes in the middle because it has also got square faces. And the cylinder has got no vertices and no square faces, so that goes there. It's still part of the Venn diagram, but it doesn't go in either of the circles.